In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate or deactivate an account in Slack. Managing user access in Slack is an important part of keeping your workspace organized and secure. Deactivating an account removes that person's access right away and also stops billing for that user seat. Reactivating an account brings back a previous member's profile and workspace history. Before you begin, make sure you have the right permissions, since only a workspace owner or administrator can complete these actions from Slack's desktop or browser-based admin area. To get started, open Slack on your desktop or sign in through your web browser. Once you're inside the correct workspace, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the workspace name. This opens the main workspace menu where you'll access the administrative tools you need. From there, find the option labeled Tools and Settings, or in some workspaces, Administration. Hover over it to reveal more options, then click Manage Members. This will open the member management area, usually in a new browser tab. This is the main dashboard where you can review and manage user accounts. Inside the member dashboard, you'll see a list of workspace members. You can scroll through the list manually or use the search bar to find a specific user by name, display name, or email address. Once you locate the correct account, click on that user's row to view their details more closely. If your goal is to deactivate an active account, look to the right side of that user's row and click the three-dot Actions menu. In the drop-down list, choose Deactivate Account. Slack will then display a confirmation window to make sure you want to proceed, since this action immediately removes the user's access. Click the red Deactivate button to confirm and complete the process. If you need to reactivate a previously deactivated account, stay in the same Manage Members dashboard. At the top of the member list, find the filter menu that typically defaults to active members and change it to deactivated. This will show only inactive accounts. Find the user you want to restore, click the three-dot Actions menu on the right side of their row, and select Activate Account. Slack will automatically send them an invitation so they can sign back in using their original credentials. After deactivation, the user's profile changes to a blank gray silhouette, and their name is updated to deactivated member. Their messages and files remain in your channels, which helps preserve team history